Welcome to Bright Kids Academy, where we enlighten the minds of kids to learn in a fun and adventurous way in various kinds of educational lessons.
Learn to count in Spanish from 1 to 20.
1, uno. 2, dos. Let's go. 3, tres.
4,
Don't
cuatro.
push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push
5,
Don't
cinco.
push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't
6,
6,
6,
6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10. Now, kids, let's get a recap of numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13, 13. 14, 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. 20, 20.
Now let's get a recap of numbers 11 to 20. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20.
Hello kids, we hope you had fun learning time. See you next time on Bright Kids Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Check out kids coloring and activity books at our bookstore on Amazon by author Rainbow Color Burst Creations. See links to books on our About page and video descriptions. Thanks for watching.